Invite your staff. This is all you need to do. This is your overview page. You kindly scroll down a little, and there you'll be able to see the option for staff right here. Tap on staff, and when you tap on staff, it will show you the existing staffs you already have. But if you don't have any, it's going to be a plain space. And here, first of all, let's create a row for a staff first. So let's tap on this create row. Now on this row, so let's for the sake of this video, let's put a name for the staff we are going to be carrying. So right this place, let's tap on this plus to add a row, to create a row for your staff. So let's say Amina Cashier. So this is the cashier, and this is the row you're giving her. So if you're giving your cashier a row, you can tap on enable permission, so all will be enabled. And on your rows, we have the permission for both view and manage. So all of this line belong to the view access. That means they can see it. And we have the access for manage. That means they can view and they can manage. Or if you like, you can give them the option not to view but to be able to manage. So right here, as a cashier, the only thing you should give your cashier permission to do is just to make sales in your shop. So for your cashier to make sales in their shop, so all you need to give them is to give them permission to manage sales right here. So you give them permission to manage sales and also see pending sales. But if you give them access to all sales right here, they will be able to see both the previous sales, last year, last 2 years, other years, and stuff like that. And if you give them other access here, maybe to give discounts, subscription, record expenditure, inflow, customers, and every other thing. So that means you are giving them access to that as well. But by default, what Timart usually do is for you to just give your staff just access to only sales alone. That's to manage sales alone, and to both view and manage pending sales. So let's enable these three. Don't forget, though it's based on your choice, we don't usually advise shop owners to give access to this for your staffs because it enables them to see everything in your store. So once you're done, let's tap on add new row. So we've already added this row. All we need to do now is to come to your user, all user. So initially on this row, you will have by default, which is manager, cashier, and salesperson. So these are the ones we have by default. You can decide to use any of these, and you can decide to create more. Just like you see the ones I created, I have the option to delete. Why these first three are by default. So right on this page, you are to create a new staff. This is where you put your staff information. First of all, you create an email address for the staff, and if you want to use Timart email address, then you can tap on use Timart email for staff. So you can tap there to use Timart email. That's if your staff does not have email address, or if you want Timart to be the one to create an email for your staff. But if not, you can just add an email address yourself. So for instance, let's say we are adding an email address here. So let's say Amina. So this is the staff email address. Then we tap on continue. Sorry. So here is the email address. Then you tap on continue, and right here it will show you another page for where you'll be able to indicate the shop you are inviting this person to. Then at the same time, you give the person the role you want to give your staff. So right here, all you need to do is to scroll down. So let's search for the actual one. This is the person we are searching for, Amina Cashier. Then you tap on enabling and invite staff, and that's all you need to do. So once you invite your staff, it will reflect under pending user. So this is the person I just invited now. So let's see how Amina is going to receive the invite.